Oh, okay.
Hey shoppers, today we have silicone textured sensory balls. They are magnetic. It comes with 6 in a pack. Cute packaging. Be a great gift idea, stocking stuffer, Easter bag, Easter basket, toy. So this is how they look. They are brightly colored. They each have different textures on them. So good for rubbing on a table. And they're magnetic, so that you or your child can actually play with them. My son was like doing a circle, and then he would like roll it over and see how it like goes really fast. So each one has a different texture on them. They feel really good. They're kind of stimulating because they're a soft silicone. They have different textures on them. You can rub them. And then because they're magnetic, you can just kind of play with them like this. You can play with them discreetly. They don't make a whole lot of noise. It's not like clinking plastic or anything. Great for adults, great for kids. Say you are a teacher and you have a wiggly student. This might be a good thing to have in the classroom to kind of help with their hands.